The action scenes you see on screen are designed and rehearsed by our team of stunt professionals. We use stand-in props and a bit of imagination to help it all come together. Curtis Braconnier put together this fight.
Feeling my vertigo, dear.
What we wanted to demonstrate was Laurel being completely disoriented. This is Laurel hallucinating, and she sees Canary, but in reality, she's fighting Werner Seifel. What exactly would this look like if you jumped out of the hallucination and saw Werner? What is he actually doing? Werner Seifel, who is a master of pressure points, doesn't have these kind of skills, so what would he actually be doing? It makes you look at the episode in a whole new way.